Hello everyone, you are watching PMN Online, and in this tutorial, we will learn how to use TradingView Replay for free. If you're diving into the world of trading, you know how invaluable tools can be. The TradingView Replay feature is one of those gems that allows you to simulate historical market movements. But if you're using a free or basic TradingView account, there are some limitations you need to know about. Don't worry though, we're here to show you how to make the most of this feature even with those restrictions. Let's get started by focusing on what you can do with a free account. You can replay daily, weekly, and monthly bars, which is still incredibly useful for testing your strategies. Now, how do you activate the replay feature? It's simple. Look for the bar replay icon on TradingView's top toolbar. It looks like two backward arrows, kind of like a rewind button. Click on it to begin. Next, you need to choose your starting point. Click anywhere on the chart to set where you want your playback to begin. This allows you to decide which part of the historical data you wish to analyze. Once you've chosen your start point, you can begin playback. TradingView gives you play, pause, forward, and speed controls. These let you fine-tune the speed and flow of the bars as they replay, providing flexibility in observing market movements. You can proceed one bar at a time with the click of a button, or if you prefer, set the bars to advance automatically. This creates a dynamic environment perfect for analyzing past market movements, which is crucial for backtesting strategies. Ready to wrap up your session? Simply click Jump to Real Time to exit replay mode and return to the current market. Even with a free account, the replay feature is fantastic for manual backtesting using historical data. By replaying past bars, you can gain insights into how your strategies might have played out without risking any real money. This is an excellent way to refine your trading techniques and make more informed decisions. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to using TradingView's bar replay feature for free. With time and practice, you'll become more adept at navigating the trading landscape. Hopefully this guide helped you easily master how to use TradingView Replay for free. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.